Today we're taking a closer look at the Barricade Canyon drop steps with a texture black finish designed for the 2024 and newer Tacoma double cabs. These drop steps offer a blend of rugged style and practical functionality, enhancing both the appearance and the accessibility of your Tacoma. The Barricade Canyon drop steps feature an angular drop step design, providing a lower stepping point that facilitates easier entry and exit to the cabin, which is especially beneficial for lifted Tacomas. This design not only improves accessibility, but it also gives you a bold, aggressive look that complements the Tacoma's off-road aesthetic. Beyond their primary function as side steps, these drop steps also are going to offer an additional protection point for the side of the vehicle. They act as a barrier against road debris, rocks, and other hazards that you might find when you're out there off-roading or just daily driving. They're going to help preserve the Tacoma's lower body panels and keep you protected. The texture black finish of this drop step not only enhances the rugged visual appeal, but it also provides a non-slip surface while preventing rust and corrosion along the way. This combination of style and practicality makes the Barricade Canyon drop steps a valuable addition for Tacoma owners looking for both form and function. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the Barricade Canyon drop steps are built to withstand the rigors of off-road use and harsh weather conditions. The steel is treated with an epoxy pre-coating followed by a durable textured black powder coat finish, providing a two-stage finish that offers long-lasting corrosion resistance and a nice slick appearance that's not going to fade or chip over time. This tough construction ensures that the drop steps maintain their integrity and their appearance over time, even under those challenging conditions and off-roading. Now, as far as the pricing goes, this is coming in right around the low 300s price range. This investment offers a combination of enhanced accessibility, added protection, and an aesthetic appeal for your Tacoma. Installation on these is nice and straightforward, so we're rating this one just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 2 hours of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that install process goes.
For this install, you will need a ratchet, 12 and 13 millimeter sockets. What's up guys, today we're going to be doing some side steps on our Tacoma, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we're starting off underneath the truck behind our pinch weld, and we're on the driver's side. Now you'll find these pre-installed threaded inserts from the factory. You may have some 12 millimeter bolts as placeholders that you will need to remove first with a 12 mil socket. Ours are already out. Once you have those out, we're going to grab our brackets. Now these are labeled for each position. Your center and rear bracket are going to be the same, and then your front's going to be its own thing. So just grab the correct one. And we're going to install our 13 millimeter bolts with lock washers and flat washers. We're just going to get these hand tight for now. So once you have your first bracket in, you can do the same thing for the other 2 brackets. So now that we have our brackets in place, we're going to install our step. It's best to come from underneath and kind of lift it into place. These do have threaded inserts on the back side that are going to line up with your brackets. Get these in place, and we can grab our provided combo bolts, get those through our brackets into our steps. Once you have these in your first bracket, you can do the same thing for the other 2. Now that you have everything loosely in place, you can make any adjustments you want to make for how you want your steps to sit. And we'll grab our 13 millimeter socket on a ratchet and tighten down all of our hardware. Once you have your first one tight, you can tighten down the other 2. So now once you have this side installed, you can repeat the same process for the other side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our Barricade Canyon drop steps and textured black finish for your 24 to current Tacoma double cab. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.